It's turnaround day on the Grand Princess, and the crew is getting ready for people who are boarding the ship now, and they're of course playing music really loud that I need to talk over. But there's the DJ set up, and they're setting up for music and trying to sell liquor packages, and the ship is almost empty of passengers, you see, because you know there's only about 30 of us that stayed on, and I guess they are all in their cabins or somewhere else. Maybe they're upstairs in the buffet, but anyway, well, or right there. But the ship is empty. This has changed. They're wearing different clothes.
Remember, they said the tailors were here?
Oh, yeah. So all the officers got new uniforms on the last cruise. Somebody came on board and fitted them. I wonder if that chef outfit is new. They've all got different outfits now. Or getting different outfits. So getting ready to go. Hi. Explorers Lounge, they're getting ready to advertise the game shows they have. You see that? And of course they're playing different loud music, but anyway, that's what happens on a turnaround day. You know, before you board the cruise ship, they're counting their liquor, setting up their stores, waiting for the mustard to happen. And he's still ducking under the doorways. Let's just sit down and relax. Then they let on the new passengers. Very busy.